Summer vacation isn't just a pause from the daily grind. It's your opportunity to recharge, explore, and grow. Start by setting goals for yourself. Whether you're aiming to learn a new skill, finish that book series you've been eyeing, get more active, or simply give yourself permission to relax. Having something to work towards brings meaning and direction to your days. Embrace new experiences and try stepping out of your comfort zone. This could mean signing up for a cooking class, volunteering in your community, picking up a paintbrush, or learning to skateboard. Each new adventure creates memories and might even uncover hidden talents you never knew you had. Don't forget to enjoy the outdoors. Make the most of long, sunny days by going for hikes, swimming, having picnics, or just taking leisurely evening walks. Spending time in nature can lift your spirits and spark creativity. Stay connected with the people who matter most. Use this time to strengthen bonds with friends and family. Host a barbecue, arrange a day trip, or start a fun group project together. Summer is the perfect season to create new traditions and lasting friendships. Balance is key, so remember to unplug and recharge. Take breaks from screens and social media to focus on what's happening right in front of you, whether it's a stunning sunset, a great conversation, or the simple joy of reading a good book. Keep your mind active by learning in fun, engaging ways. Watch documentaries, join a workshop, travel somewhere new, or dive into a topic that intrigues you. Learning for enjoyment can open doors to new passions and keep your curiosity alive. Finally, plan your summer, but stay flexible. Make a bucket list of things you want to do, but leave space for spontaneous adventures. Sometimes, the most magical moments are the ones you never saw coming. In the end, a truly memorable summer is a blend of relaxation, adventure, connection, and personal growth. Whether you're exploring new places or savoring quiet moments at home, what matters most is that you make every day count. As summer unfolds, seize the opportunity to create lasting memories by blending adventure and relaxation. Set personal goals, whether it's learning a new skill or reading more books, and seek out experiences that push you beyond your comfort zone. Spend time outdoors, exploring parks, or trying new activities that spark creativity. Strengthen bonds with friends and family through shared traditions or spontaneous outings. Embrace balance by unplugging from screens, staying curious, and savoring every moment.